Welcome, here I've got Xiaomi Mi 11i and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera mirror effect at this device. Let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode with the back camera. To get access to the mirror effect here, we have to change back camera to the front one. Let's do it by tapping on this button from the right. So hi again, and now let's go to the right corner. When we pick this one, we get access to more options about the camera we can manage. From here we have to go to the left side and pick the settings, so we can open the advanced camera settings. At the second place now we have mirror front camera option, so by using the button from the right we can easily turn it off and turn it on as we need. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.